Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Art Adventure. This is your friend Shubhajit, and in this video I'll share you how I have made this portrait using just one pencil. Here it is the portrait of Gour Gopal. Most of you are familiar with him. He's a great person and I get a lot more thing and a lot more inspiration from him. So as an artist, it's a small tribute to him from my side. So before I start the process of sketching, let me tell you the material I have used here. First of all, I have used this Staedtler Lumograph black pencil of 8B shade. I gave the review of this before in one video. You can check this out on the description. And after that, I have chosen this non-dust Apsara eraser. I cut the side part so that I can get a piece like this to do the fine detailing, and if there have any edges, so I'll be easily control it like a pencil. So you can say it's a substitute of mono eraser or eraser stick or pencil eraser. And I have also used this Staedtler eraser pencil. The most important thing here I want to say that is I have used only one pencil to make the entire sketch, starting from the basic sketch to the shading part. And I make the portrait on this 100 GSM A4 paper. Here you can see that the surface is too smooth, so we can achieve the smoothing effect and get a better result. So without any further delay, let's start sketching. I have shared some tips based on my experience throughout the entire video that will surely help you out to make your skill better. So keep patience and watch this video carefully. Here I made the rough sketch first, as I usually do before start shading. You can see here the lines are not prominent and the face that stand out is not too realistic. Just made this just to figure out the position of individual part for the further progression. With this pencil you need to apply the pressure very carefully, because I need to achieve the lighter tone by applying lighter pressure. As it is my first time to working with this pencil, so that's why I do the every steps very carefully. I've tried to apply lighter pressure as much as possible and do the progression in layers. Developing midtones are equally important as we do the shading on the darker part to create shadow. To make the portrait realistic, gradual tone shifting is highly required, and midtone plays a vital role here. Here I marked out the shadow first by making those parts darker and then moving towards the lighter area. So at the end of the first setting, it looks something like this. In second stage, I have redefined the outline once again and look on to the minor tone shifting. create the highlight or to show the reflection of light on forehead, I left the white part of the paper. One thing I must say that you have to have patience to draw realistic. Need to observe every detail in the reference picture and try to capture all of those. Though it's true that we never able to recreate the exact copy of the reference pic, still we should approach as much as possible. It's not any hard and fast rule that we need to follow this strictly. If you want, you can also try artistic effect by adding something from your own imagination. But here I have tried to achieve realism, that's why I didn't do so. We should not do the overblending while we are shading skin, because everyone has a unique skin texture. We also need to maintain that to make our portrait realistic. We all know that the actual color of teeth is white, but the local color might be little bit darker due to the shadow of upper lips that we can see here. But here the shadows appear on the upper portion of the teeth, which is covered by upper lip. That's why I make this portion little bit darker. Light also plays a vital role in portrait. Based on the position of light, we need to make highlights and shadow. So it is very important to identify the position of light source in our picture. Understanding of light will help us to make our portrait even more better. Here I am darkening this eye to show the effect of shadow. Though it was my first time to working with this pencil, still I have enjoyed a lot of doing the experiment with this pencil by making this portrait. I want to share some significant property of the pencil that I have observed. Similar to the charcoal pencil, here we can also achieve darker tone very easily. But unlike charcoal, we can't do the blending easily with this pencil. Truly saying, I have to face a little difficulty at the time of doing the lighter shading. I've used my hand sometime, and sometime by using eraser I do this blending part. That's why I'm not going to recommend you to use this pencil to achieve lighter tone. But to do the shading in darker area like shadow, it's a good option for sure. I have given the link of all the materials that I have used here in the description box. If you are interested to avail those, you can check this out. If you really like this video, then make a big thumbs up and share with others. And if you have any query or any question to ask, please comment below. If you want to have a long duration tutorial of this portrait, then please share that with me. Write down on the comment section. And if you are interested to get notification of my upcoming videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll come back soon with another content very soon. Till then, just stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.